Are you gonna do it? It's going. Come on. It's going.
I want to do it right next to that family.
Alright. Where do you want to do it at?
Kind of intense.
You want to do it right here?
They'll be like pushing their kids back.
Right here's a good spot.
How much right here? Maybe here.
I think I go over there with this thing over here. Yeah. It's like rustic. Okay, just kidding.
Still choppy.